Hey everybody, Sandy Schwartz here from the Norman Waterfront team at One Sotheby's International Realty. I'm here in front of 2877 Northeast 29th Street in Fort Lauderdale. It's a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, just under 3,000 square feet. It's an art lover's dream. It's got a beautiful pool and a 100-foot dock. Let's check it out. If you like what you saw, give me a call. I'm Sandy Schwartz with the Norman Waterfront team at One Sotheby's International Realty. My number is 561 501 9404. That's hashtag Sandy Sells South Florida. I'm looking forward to working with you. Let me help you find your next home.